Benchmark Education's eAssessment platform provides an opportunity for students to take assessments online in a format that mirrors the high-stakes assessments. They will encounter the new question item types, including two-part questions, text box response, drag and drop, and more. A robust reporting platform automatically scores assessments, saving you time and providing you access to powerful, meaningful, actionable data for teachers and administrators. For example, this standards-based report helps identify opportunity gaps and inform next steps for instruction. At a glance, you can quickly identify standards performance for the class, click on a standard or strand, and identify the students that may need additional support.